Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 18th chapter, that is the mensuration to solid figures. In the last video already we have discussed about that, find the volume of the cube and cuboids, how we are finding that volume of the cubes and cuboids. Yes, already we have discussed, but students, today we are going to find out that surface area. You know that in previous chapters also already you have studied that how many faces are there, how many edges are there. Yes, but how many faces are there of a cuboid or cubes? There are 6 faces are there. You have to find out that area. Okay, these 6 faces, what is that area? So we have to find out. There are two types of we are getting. One is the lateral surface area and another one is the total surface area. Lateral surface area means 4 is there for the cuboid as well as cubes. But total surface area is equal to total surface means 6 faces are there. So 6 faces if you want to find out that area. So let us discuss about that. What is that lateral surface area of the cuboid and what is the total surface area of the cuboid and what is the lateral surface area of cube and what is the total surface area of cube and what is the diagonal of the cuboid and what is the diagonal of cube. Let us discuss in this video. So students, first of all we will discuss about that cuboid. The first of all I have written the formulas LSA. What do you mean by LSA? Do you have idea, friends? Lateral surface area. What is that? Once I am writing here, lateral surface area, and TS means total surface area. Okay, so lateral surface area and a total surface area. So what is that cuboid? The lateral surface area 2 into height whole bracket L plus B, length plus breadth square unit, and total surface area is equal to 2 whole length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length whole, because 2 is multiplying square units, and length of the diagonals is equal to length square plus breadth square plus height square root over centimeter. So these are about that cuboid. And a cube for what is that LSA? That is 4a square, and TSA 6a square. TSA matlab total surface area 6a square, and the diagonal is equal to root 3 into a, and this is the diagonal find, where a is the side, where a is the side of cube, okay. So now we will discuss by using this formula, by application that problems based with how can we are applying this formula, we will discuss. Okay, now see, first question, find the total surface area, lateral surface area and the diagonals of a cuboid of a dimension are 10 meter, 0.8 meter and 5 meters. So given that, first write down the students what is that given to us. Given the length how much students? 10 meter, okay, and the breadth is equal to 0.8 meter, and the height is equal to 5 meter. Yes, so first of question we have to find out the lateral surface area. So lateral surface area of the cuboid is equal to 2h whole L plus B. So what is that? We can write 2h whole L plus B is equal to how much we will get, friends? 2 into height how much, friends? 5 meter whole L plus 10 plus 8, 0.8. So is equal to here 10 into here how much we will get? 10.8 is equal to, whenever we are multiplying this, the decimal will go to right side. So 108 meter square. So now we got that one lateral surface area of a cuboid. Now we see that second one. Second answer we can get what is that total surface area. Okay, TSA is equal to, what is that formula? 2 whole LB plus BH whole HL square centimeter. So is equal to 2 whole length into breadth. Okay, length into breadth, matlab if 10 which will multiply, then direct decimal it will come, direct I am writing 8 plus breadth into height, 5 for is 40. So decimal after that 1 is there, so only 4 meter we can write. Next 10 into 50, that is the plus 50. So is equal to 2 whole, if you add 50 plus 12, 62 into 62 is equal to 2 2 is 4, 12 meter square. This is 124 meter square. We get that what total surface area. How we should find out the diagonals? Students, diagonals is equal to what the formula? Now root over L square plus B square plus H square. So is equal to L square means how much, friends? L matlab length is equal to 10 square means 100 plus breadth means 0.8, 8 means 6.4, because 8 8 is 64, decimal means 6.4 plus 5 square means 25. Okay, if you add that, students, 25 plus 6 31, so 131.4 meter, because it is a diagonal. So I hope you have understand about that how to find out that total surface area, lateral surface area, and what is the diagonal. So first of all we found that the lateral surface area. So lateral surface area is equal to how much? 2h whole L plus B. With this we got now total surface area, we got this and a diagonal. Now we will go for the example 2, students. Find the lateral surface area, length of the diagonals of a edge. So solution, students, given side is equal to how much, students? 8 centimeter. So what is the question? Lateral surface area is equal to 4a square. So is equal to 4 into 8 square is equal to 4 into 64 is equal to 256 centimeter square. This is our what is that LSA. Same like, students, diagonal you have to find out too. So diagonal is equal to what is that? Root 3 into 8 is equal to root 3 into side is equal to 8. So 8 root 3, what is that? Centimeter. So this is about the figures, and I hope you have understand about this total how to find out the surface area of cube and a cuboid. Okay, so there are two surface area, one lateral surface area, one total surface area. I hope you have understand. Next part we will discuss about that other about solid figures like the cone and sphere in the other video. Thank you.